हाय दोस्तों, आज कैसे हैं आप। आज हम आपको लेके आए हैं आईएनएस सर्वेक्षक। वैसे तो बहुत सारे आपको वीडियो हम दिखलाने वाले हैं आने वाले टाइम में इंडियन वॉरशिप का। तो आज पहला वीडियो सीरीज में है आईएनएस सर्वेक्षक। ये बेसिकली एक हाइड्रोग्राफिक सर्वे शिप है इंडियन नेवी का, और इसके अंदर बोफोर्स गन भी लगा रहता है 40 और इस शिप को स्पेशली 2015 में इनोवेशंस ट्रॉफी अवार्ड्स नेवी डे पे दिया गया है बाय प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी।
Hi, this is Sumit Kumar Singh for Warrior Expeditions. We have a Nitin Yadav, sir, Lieutenant Commander.
No, I'm Lieutenant.
Lieutenant, yes. So, sir, give us some basics idea about this ship.
So this is the INS Sarvekshak. It is the 9th indigenously built survey vessel of the Indian Navy. It was commissioned in 2002
Correct.
on 14th of January by then Honorable Shipping Minister Shri V.P. Goyal.
Okay.
So since then the ship has been undertaking several survey taskings in India as well as in foreign waters. So the survey that we do generally includes bathymetry, which means we find out how much is the depth of water at any point of time. So the amount of oceans, the vastness of the ocean that we have is much, and still it is yet to be discovered. How much depth is there is still yet to be found out.
Right.
So our purpose is for that we undertake the bathymetry of the sea, and we provide charts which ensure the navigation safety of other ships.
Okay.
We have 95% of the trade of the world is happening through shipping routes.
Yes.
So for the safety of the merchant traffic and the merchant shipping, we undertake these surveys and we give them charts. So with their charts, they are able to understand that which area is danger for them, which area is safe for them for transiting from one place to another. Transiting in an airplane is very easy. You just take off from one place, you just go to the other place. In a ship, once you are going through the water, there are many things which come from you don't know that somewhere there might be a seamount. Somewhere some ship might have wrecked, and if you are not aware of the position of that ship, then it is a hazard for your own ship. So that is the purpose of this ship. We undertake survey in Indian waters as well as in foreign waters for the safety of navigation of entire shipping fleet.
Sir, I have had a word with the different the ship captain. So I have come to know that there are two things. One, you have the GPS of your locations,
Yes.
and one is your own physical, the printed copy, the old survey, and you always match with the GPS whether it's right or not.
That is being done. Like previously, we used to have GPSs from USA. Earlier, before the GPS came, India uses a datum called the WGS-84, that is the World Geodetic System of 1984. So all locations on the charts, on the Google Maps, everything is with respect to that geodetic datum. So we try and get these. We use the GPS and we use get that position. We try to get it as accurate as possible, because below the water you don't know. Like you are standing here, the next another 10 meters. If the depth is 5 meters over here, it will move to 100 meters if you are close to an island. So that is the kind of danger that we are dealing with when we are doing survey, when we are doing closer to islands, Lakshadweep Islands, to other places. So that kind of danger is always involved in the job. The GPS locations, it is very important for us. We generally take the DGPS locations, that is differential GPS, much more accurate than the GPS locations. It is just basically for the safety of the navigation of all merchant traffic and the abortion.
Thanks for having with us. This is Captain Nitin Yadav. Thanks for watching.
ये शिप बेसिकली क्या है कि इंडिया या कोई भी कंट्री में क्या होता है कि सी का सर्वे किया जाता है कि सेफ रूट कौन सा है अगर कोई मैरिन शिप आ रहा है या किसी भी तरह का. So they are always on the missions to find out the best route and lots of other activities.